I know. You guys are super excited and waiting for Project I20. And so am I, which is why I'm here to tell you that it's confirmed. I'm doing a 1,000-kilometer road trip to go stage 3 on this car. But first, safety. I'm getting a dash cam. This is the Redtiger F17 Elite and it's the world's first full night color dash cam with in-cabin view. Let's open it up. So talking about what comes in the box, this is a 4K front-facing camera and the back one is 1080p to show my face. The other one is the rear-facing camera. This is a 2.5K camera for crisp rear-end footage. Next are the bits of hardware kit. All of this is going to be used in order to wire the two cameras and connect them to the car, and a user manual with an electrostatic sticker so that my fingers don't create prints on the dash cam. Lovely. Let's install it. So the point of these products is the fact that you can install them yourself. So we are going to try and install it with our own newbie bare hands, and only if necessary, we're going to ask for help. Let's go. Step 1. We clean the windshield, stuck on the electrostatic sticker on the windshield and stuck the front camera right underneath the rear view mirror for the best field of view. Next, we took the pry tool given by Redtiger and started to push in the connector wire, which would eventually slot into the 12-volt socket to power the camera. Honestly, we kinda need this cable. This is an insanely long Type-C to Type-C. And that cable is used to route the wiring for the rear camera, so it needed to be that long. Maybe not for this car, but if you have something like a massive SUV, this will definitely come in handy. Process to install the rear camera was the same. We used the pry tool to route the wiring and stuck on the electrostatic sticker and rear camera, and voila! The F17 Elite was installed. So we're done. Just like that. It barely took us 30 minutes and the process was pretty straightforward. Now time to see what it looks like in the real world. If you want to buy one of the best dash cams in the market, which is the Redtiger F17 Elite, check the link in the description and use our code THEDRIVERHUB, which has an exclusive discount just for our subscribers. Now that we've finally installed the camera, time to talk about all of the beautiful features that this Redtiger F17 Elite has. And the first one, and my favorite one, is the crispness of the in-cabin camera. Now, the outside-facing cameras will always stay very well balanced because they've got dual-channel HDR. So, overexposure and underexposure are very well taken care of. Plus, the front and rear outward-facing cameras come with Starvis 2 sensors, ensuring that even when the light changes a lot, you get some crisp footage, making sure that no detail is missed while capturing all of this footage. And even when you're away from your car, there is this beautiful feature called the night guard feature. You can essentially leave the vehicle and the dashcam will record a time-lapse video. So if anything happens in the hours or the night that you have left the car alone, you will be able to see a short clip of all that has happened. So it won't be that time consuming in order to find out what has happened when you have left your car alone and something has actually happened to it. And if you ask me why I chose this specific dash cam, is for two reasons. One, it's a 3 camera dash cam, so I can basically talk to you guys. You guys can see my face, you all can see outside and you all can see behind. So I'm not missing out on any footage. Plus, the footage download speed on the Redtiger F17 Elite is like 10 times faster than any other dash cam. That's because it uses 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6. You can basically download things as fast as up to 30 Mbps, and that is going to make my life very convenient when I need to dump all my footage. All in all, I'm super happy with this product and I'm super excited to use it in order to create some more cool content for you guys. Now, most of you must be thinking, why does somebody need a dash cam for just accidents? Isn't that the point of insurance? Well, Redtiger's F17 Elite will help you in situations where you have been wrongfully charged with a traffic challan to help dispute the claim, or when the traffic police stops you for running a red light when you haven't. And of course, when you unfortunately get involved in an accident, to help you get insurance claims and to see what really happened, a dash cam is your insurance before the insurance company steps in. Now I know what you guys are wondering. Bhavneet, what took so long for Project I20 N-Line to kick in? Well, we came across quite a few hurdles. First was the hardware department. As you guys know, not many people make the hardware in order to upgrade the 1 liter TGDI, for which we had to do quite a lot of homework. That is done. But then we came across a second hurdle, which is the software department, which is equally instrumental in order to create a reliable build. Now, in order to calibrate and data log the car after going stage 3 properly, we needed the right software tools, which we were missing. But now I can report that we can finally do it, and we're going to do it the right way. So I'm expecting to get some impressive numbers and for the car to do it all reliably. Plus, the extra added fact that I will be completely safe with my Redtiger F17 Elite on my road trip while I create some epic content thanks to its 3 cameras. I couldn't be happier. I'm looking forward to head out on my 1000-kilometer road trip and create some kick-ass content with these cameras. Do let us know your thoughts on the F17 Elite. Would you pick this over any other dash cam? And can you guess where I'm going to go stage 3? Do let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.